Conrad kesang ma awolong national president jaka sang National People's Party. Ulong ba ka jingmi jeng ki parti ka jela kan puta setia ya ka NPP. Hynrei ulong ba wala ki parti ki yai mi ka jela nei nak liang sejeng ba ka sang hibar ka wikinya Trei be. Na kam taki kam pandai kumpar hapo ka jela. Ka juko por pandra ola paru mana ka liang jaka sang jung kan sing sting ya kan ki jingmi jeng ki parti. Mana ka juko por ka sang NPP ka Trei be iki kam. Kumba ka Trei na kam ta kabit ka biang ba ka ka pa jeng ki pai ba.
What do you think will be the outcome in 2023? How will you tackle that?
No, 2023 is far away when one cannot say what's going to happen. But as I said, whatever the other political parties do, let them do. That's their prerogative. But we as a party, we will not take anything easy. We'll continue working hard, continue to organize the party, and continue to inform and engage with people about the work and the development work and the social work that we have done at the grassroots level. So other parties will continue, but we as a party will not take things anything easy.
So your words have come through that you've stated that Congress has a bleak future.
I don't want to predict anything. It's not for me to predict, but the actions are showing that there have been situations where state by state Congress is losing and becoming insignificant in most parts of the country. So, but that's for the Congress to decide on how they'll move forward. But yes, in a way you're right that I've been mentioning this again and again, and you will also see that in elections in Manipur also that they will not be able to do as well as they have done in the past.
So lastly, one thing is that we hear that things are also not well in NPP. How true is this?
Not at all. NPP is very much intact. And in political parties and coalitions, there will always be concerns and there will always be issues that will come out. Everybody has their own personal agendas also. So we try to address those agendas. But as of now, there's no issue.
So what is the kind of action in
Let's see. Thank you.
boost the NPP in the next election?
I don't want to see it as a threat or a boost. The way I see it is that every situation is different. So one cannot take things for granted. And one has to ensure that we monitor the situation as minutely as possible.
Do you see the exit of Dr. Mughal Sama? MVP is open out to talk with the Congress.
No, this is something that one cannot say right now. We are with the coalition partners and we are very happy. We are very committed to the coalition partners. We have been through a lot of difficulties and challenges. So those are areas that are not being discussed at our level right now. But we are, as I said, we are very committed to the coalition.
So the Garo Hills sector seems to be a tough area of the TMC right now, as it seems for now. So how do you...
Sorry?
The Garo Hills area seems to be a tough area for the TMC.